Sometimes happen in football these situations, not only with us. Manchester City cannot win, I think, 10 matches or like that, or in 10 matches they won only one match. Sometimes happen this, but you need to work, you need to continue to work good, you need to explain the players it will be change soon, only about work, not another things. And we spoke with them about that, how we can change the situation, how we can be better, and they understood they are professional people, and I'm so happy to work with them because they like this job, they like this club. They want to give all the best for this club, but this is the football. You can be better in many matches, but you cannot win. But they will change this situation, and I believe that. But about motivation, they know they need to play for this club, they need to play for themselves, they need to play for them family, they need to play for them future. This is big motivation in football life. Before we lost our two central defenders, this is Bora and this is Joseph. They cannot help us maybe long time. This is a problem. Now also problem our defense midfielder or central defender Ershad cannot play next match because he got a red card. But good news, our striker Cesar come back to the team. He started to work with us and he is now ready for the next match. But these three players cannot help us in match against Kerala Blasters there. You don't understand me very well. Before the season I did not say we need to be in top 6. Never I say like that. On my first press conference I said we try to play good every match, we try to win many matches, we try to be up in championship, maybe this is top 4, maybe this is top 6, maybe this is another position, but never I say this is our target. Our target to make one strong team and the next 2-3 seasons start to fighting for the good position in the championship. Look, I am not stupid to say to win ISL in first season with not experienced players who need to get this experience. This is not like that, and we don't think about Super 6 or about Super 8 or about top 4. We think about next match. This is very important, but now we are in situation we are last. Now our big target to leave this position. We cannot stay on the last. This is for us very important. No, first we cannot say every match the same situation. Yes, we received last minutes goal against Northeast Goa. Which team also last minutes Bengaluru, but sometimes they score it in first half, sometimes they score it like last match in first minute, second half. This is cannot say the same situation. Every match different situation, but many goals we received in last minute. This is true, but also this is about experience of our players. This is about concentration in last minutes, and maybe we start to be more tired in last minutes as another teams. We know about that, and sometimes we change the situation, sometimes not in our hand. Maybe emotion of our players go too much up. They also can keep a draw, but they want to win this match. They go in attack and they cannot come back in the time. This is like that about situations, but I cannot say the same every match. It's not like that.